I am going to show you how to get Roblox on a school Chromebook and access other block sites like Discord. So to get started, open an incognito tab, or you can use a guest browser. This is important because it helps bypass school restrictions and prevents your browsing history from being tracked. Then, type in fun1.frostbite.cc and hit enter. Once the page loads, go to roblox.com. Next, you'll need to create an account. You can just type in a random username, password, and birthday. Finally, you're ready to go. Just pick a game and start playing. Don't forget that you can also use this to access other sites.